Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the degrees of comparison type 1. Regarding type 1 degrees of comparison, positive, comparative and superlative degrees are to be discussed in this session. One event is compared to more events. While talking about one event which is compared to more events, we use type 1 degrees of comparison. Here, if you take the clues such as no other, than any other and est of all, these are the clues that we have to remember while changing positive degree into comparative, comparative degree into superlative, superlative degree into comparative degree into positive degree. Here, positive degree starts with no other as far as degrees of comparison type 1 is concerned. Positive degree starts with no other, and comparative degree contains than any other in the sentence. If you take superlative degree, which contains est of all in the sentence. These are the clues that we have to remember regarding degrees of comparison type 1. No other dancer is so great as Krishna. This is positive degree. This sentence is in the positive degree. How can we say that? Here, this sentence starts with no other, and here we have the adjective one positive degree great. No other dancer is so great as Krishna. This is positive degree. Here great is adjective one and this is in positive degree. And this sentence is started with no other, so that it can be told which is in the positive degree. Krishna is greater than any other dancer. Here greater is comparative degree, positive, comparative and superlative degrees. If you take great, greater and greatest, Krishna is greater than any other dancer. Here in this sentence we have comparative degree and than any other. Than any other as far as the clue is concerned regarding comparative degree. And let us take third sentence which is in the superlative degree. Krishna is the greatest of all the dancers. This is superlative degree. Now let us see the structures in order to remember all these three degrees very easily. No other, if you take positive degree, how to say the structure for this positive degree? No other plus, subject plus, verb plus, so plus, great, positive degree plus, as plus, noun or pronoun. Once again, see the structure for the positive degree which is related to type 1 degrees of comparison. No other plus, subject plus, verb plus, so plus, positive degree plus, as plus, noun or pronoun. Now let us go to second sentence which is in the comparative degree. Let us know the structure of comparative degree which is related to type 1 degrees of comparison. Subject plus, verb plus, comparative degree plus, than any other plus, singular noun. Singular noun. Once again, subject plus, verb plus, comparative degree plus, than any other plus, singular noun. This is the structure of comparative degree related to type 1 degrees of comparison. Now let us go to third sentence. Krishna is the greatest of all the dancers. This is the superlative degree. Krishna, subject plus, verb plus, superlative degree plus, of all plus, plural noun, plural noun. Your nouns should be in the plural form in superlative degree. Okay, once again, Let us see the structures of positive, comparative and superlative degree related to type 1 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, no other plus, subject plus, verb plus, so plus, positive degree plus, as plus, noun or pronoun. Comparative degree, subject plus, verb plus, comparative degree plus, than any other plus, singular noun. Let us go to superlative degree. Subject plus, verb plus, superlative degree plus, of all plus, plural noun. Plural noun. In such a way, if you practice how to change positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative, comparative to positive, you will simply understand by following the structures very easily. Okay? This is about type 1 degrees of comparison. In my next session, I shall meet you with type 2 degrees of comparison. Till then, thank you very much.